This is Thomas Talon with MarineMAx Hall Marine, Greenville, South Carolina. Today I am showing you a fresh trade. This is a 2012 2275 GCW Bennington Tri-Toon. This pontoon has not been detailed yet. Just wanted to go ahead and get this trade out there since this is such a hot deal. This boat is equipped with the ESP package, the elliptical pontoon, 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine, telescoping ladder, in the floor storage, complete with stereo and Garmin Echo 100 depth finder. Please visit our website at MarineMAx.com for more details. Thank you.